on Ozempic.
Dolo, you look thin.
Thank you.
Ozempic?
When I look around this room, I can't help but wonder, is Ozempic right for me?
Yes. Semaglutide injections are making waves as a powerful weight loss solution. But here's the truth. Many are diving in without knowing how to get the most out of it. In this video, we're diving deep into maximizing your weight loss journey with semaglutide. What dosage should you stick to? How can you enhance semaglutide absorption? What lifestyle changes should you make? There are a lot of secrets to unpack, so stay tuned until the end. So, what exactly is semaglutide? Semaglutide is a medication originally designed to help manage type 2 diabetes. Recently, it's been getting a lot of buzz for its impressive weight loss benefits. How does it work? Well, it mimics a hormone called GLP-1. That's glucagon-like peptide 1, which affects areas of the brain that control appetite and food intake. By helping reduce hunger and making you feel full sooner, semaglutide has become a real game-changer for those dealing with obesity. You might have heard of some common brands of semaglutide, like Ozempic, primarily used for diabetes management, and Wegovy, specifically approved for weight loss. These medications can help people shed up to 15% of their body weight, making them a solid option for long-term weight management. Now that you understand how semaglutide works, let's dive into steps for maximizing your weight loss journey with semaglutide. 1. Stick to the prescribed dosage. When you start using semaglutide for weight loss, remember that patience and consistency are key. It's really important to follow your doctor's prescribed dosage. Most of the time, you'll begin with a low dose of 0.25 milligrams each week for the first month. This gentle start helps your body get used to the medication, which means you're less likely to experience side effects like nausea or stomach discomfort. After that first month, you'll gradually increase the dose every 4 weeks, aiming to reach about 2.4 milligrams per week, which is where many people find their sweet spot for weight loss.
So you start out at a very low dose, which is the 0.25 milligrams. You'll be on that every week for 4 weeks. And then depending on how you respond to that medication, that's when we determine if you're a candidate for the next dose up.
I know it can be tempting to speed things up and increase your dose faster, but that's not the way to go. Rushing can lead to some unpleasant side effects like vomiting, diarrhea, or even gallbladder issues. If you find a dose increase is tough to handle, definitely talk to your doctor. They can help you decide if slowing down makes sense for you. 2. Rotate your injection sites. To help semaglutide absorb effectively and reduce skin irritation, it's important to rotate your injection sites. You have a few options. Most people start with the abdomen because it's easy to reach and usually less painful than the other spots we'll discuss.
To use this injection site, you're going to select an area that's about 2 inches away from your belly button. You will then pinch a section of the fat with your fingers and use that location to inject your needle.
Next, the upper thigh is another good choice. Just pick an area halfway between your knee and hip.
Once locating the halfway mark, you're going to move towards the outside of your leg and select a location. Same as the belly, pinch a section of the fat with your finger and use that location to inject the needle.
Lastly, there's the upper arm. This spot isn't the easiest for self-injections, but it can work well if someone else is giving you the injection.
For this location, you're going to place the needle into the back of the arm, about halfway between the elbow and the shoulder. If you're on the thinner side or more toned, you might have to pinch the skin to ensure that you're getting the medicine into the fat.
To prevent irritation, make sure to switch up the location each time. For example, if you inject in your abdomen this week, try using your thigh or upper arm next time. Using the same spot repeatedly can lead to fatty tissue buildup or small lumps, which can interfere with how well your body absorbs semaglutide. A smart approach is to rotate within the same area, like using different spots on your abdomen before moving to a different part of your body the following week. 3. Prioritize sleep. Now, let's talk about a super important factor that can really influence your weight loss journey: sleep. Getting enough good quality sleep is just as vital for weight loss as diet and exercise. Research shows there's a strong link between lack of sleep and weight gain.
And sleep is really, really important when it comes to weight and overall health. And if you aren't getting a minimum of 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, you're not going to be as able to lose weight.
When you don't get enough rest, it can mess with your hormones, leading to increased hunger and cravings. This makes it harder to stick to your weight loss plan. Experts suggest aiming for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to help support healthy weight loss. Not getting enough sleep can also slow down your metabolism and raise cortisol levels, which is a stress hormone that promotes fat storage, especially around your belly. Focusing on good sleep habits, such as maintaining a regular sleep schedule, cutting down on screen time before bed, and creating a comfortable sleep environment, you can improve how effectively semaglutide works and help you lose weight faster. 4. Increase fiber-rich intake. In addition to sleep, what you eat plays a big part in your weight loss success. Adding more fiber-rich foods to your diet is a great way to support weight loss, especially when using semaglutide. High-fiber foods not only help with digestion, but also keep you feeling full for longer, which can help you eat less overall.
Fiber, in both soluble and insoluble form, plays several important roles.
Both soluble and insoluble fiber can help with weight control because fiber helps us feel full.
Fiber slows down how fast your body digests food, keeping your blood sugar steady and reducing hunger and cravings. Some good sources of fiber include whole grains, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and beans. Aim for about 25 to 30 grams of fiber each day. This can really help you feel satisfied and make it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Adding more fiber to your meals also helps your gut stay healthy and keeps things moving in your digestive system. Think about including foods like oats, beans, chia seeds, and leafy greens in your meals to help you stay on track. 5. Avoid inflammatory foods. While fiber-rich foods can support digestion and keep you feeling full, it's just as important to watch out for foods that might cause inflammation in your body, which can make it harder to lose weight. Inflammatory foods like processed meats, refined carbs, and fried goodies can spark chronic inflammation, leading to weight gain and other health problems. These types of foods often increase insulin resistance, promote fat storage, and slow down your metabolism.
Did you know that stress and inflammation are two huge reasons why people can't lose weight? Stress hormones like cortisol increase appetite, cravings, and belly fat, and inflammatory chemicals can impair your metabolic rate and stimulate growth of new fat cells.
Instead, focus on including anti-inflammatory foods that can help keep your body in check and support weight loss. Ingredients like turmeric and ginger are natural anti-inflammatories that can help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as chia seeds and flax seeds, are great for lowering inflammation and boosting heart health. 6. Limit or avoid alcohol. Let's focus on another big factor that can slow down your progress: alcohol. Limiting or avoiding alcohol is super important for getting the most out of your weight loss journey while you're on semaglutide. Alcohol adds empty calories to your diet, calories that don't really provide any nutrition, and can mess with your metabolism, making it harder for your body to burn fat. When you drink, your body prioritizes burning alcohol for energy instead of fat, which can hold up your weight loss efforts.
Alcohol stops fat loss for 24 to 36 hours. It's a toxin, so when you ingest it, your liver has to process it right away. Therefore, it does not have time for any of the food you ate before, nor does it have time for the food you eat after. So guess what happens? It pretty much gets stored to fat.
Plus, alcohol can lead to cravings for unhealthy, high-calorie foods, making it tougher to stick to your diet plan. Drinking regularly can also mess with your sleep and increase inflammation in your body, both of which can contribute to weight gain. If you do decide to drink, try to keep it moderate and opt for lower-calorie options, like a glass of wine or spirits mixed with soda water, instead of sugary cocktails or beer. 7. Avoid high glycemic fruits. As you fine-tune your diet to support weight loss, it's important to think about how different fruits affect your blood sugar levels. Fruits are generally a healthy choice, but some can spike your blood sugar more than others. These are known as high glycemic fruits. This can potentially get in the way of your weight loss efforts.
The glycemic index is a measure of how quickly and how high your blood glucose levels spike after eating certain foods. Some fruits are higher on the glycemic index.
High glycemic fruits like bananas, pineapples, and watermelons can cause quick jumps in blood sugar because of their high natural sugar content. These spikes can lead to increased insulin levels, which promotes fat storage and makes it tougher to shed those extra pounds. Instead, go for low glycemic fruits like berries, apples, and pears. These fruits release sugar more slowly into your bloodstream, helping to keep your blood sugar levels steady and making you feel full longer.
And most people who have metabolic syndrome, which is the underlying cause of the obesity we see in our society, respond very well to a low glycemic load diet.
Low glycemic fruits are also packed with fiber, which supports digestion and further helps with weight management. 8. Focus on protein intake. While adjusting your diet and lifestyle, there's one key nutrient you don't want to overlook: protein. When you're on a weight loss journey with semaglutide, keeping your muscle mass is crucial, and that's where protein comes in.
Protein plays a key role in building and preserving muscle. So when you lose weight, you want to shed off fat, not muscle, and eating enough protein helps maintain your muscle mass, which boosts your metabolism.
Adequate protein intake not only helps preserve lean muscle while you lose fat, but also keeps you feeling fuller for longer, which can reduce the chances of overeating.
First off, protein is super filling. When you eat protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, beans, or even Greek yogurt, you naturally feel full much longer, reducing cravings.
Protein-rich foods like lean meats, eggs, legumes, tofu, and Greek yogurt are great options to add to your meals. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal to help support muscle retention and optimize fat loss. Studies show that higher protein intake can boost thermogenesis, meaning your body burns more calories during digestion. Plus, protein helps control hunger-regulating hormones like ghrelin, which keeps those cravings in check. 9. Avoid nightshades and starchy vegetables.
You may want to consider removing nightshade vegetables from your diet. Now, nightshade vegetables include things like tomato, eggplant, white potato, bell peppers, spicy peppers, and paprika, and they all contain a compound called alkaloids. Now, alkaloids in high enough dosages can be poisonous to us.
Nightshades, like tomatoes and eggplants, contain substances that can cause inflammation for some people. When your body deals with inflammation, it has to work harder. This can disrupt how insulin works, leading to more insulin being produced to balance your blood sugar. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance and even weight gain. Also, try to stay away from starchy vegetables like potatoes, corn, and peas. They're high in carbs that your body breaks down quickly, which can spike your blood sugar and insulin levels. Instead, choose non-starchy veggies like kale, spinach, artichokes, zucchini, and carrots. These options are lower in carbs, high in fiber, and help keep your blood sugar steady. 10. Stay well hydrated. One important habit that can really help your weight loss journey is staying hydrated. Keeping hydrated is especially crucial when you're using semaglutide, since constipation can be a common side effect. Drinking enough water helps your digestive system work smoothly and can prevent discomfort. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water each day to support digestion, flush out toxins, and boost your overall well-being.
How do you know you're dehydrated? You're going to take your 2 fingers, pinch behind the back of the hand like this, and pull it up. Hold it there a few seconds. If it comes right down real quick, that means you're hydrated.
Hydration also plays a vital role in weight loss by helping control hunger and stopping your body from confusing thirst with hunger. Drinking water before meals can help you eat less by making you feel fuller faster. Besides water, try adding hydrating foods to your diet like cucumbers, watermelon, and leafy greens to keep your hydration levels up throughout the day. 11. Avoid processed and sugary foods. Let's tackle one of the biggest hurdles in weight loss: processed and sugary foods.
And you can get a lot of sugar and calories from soft drinks. And it's been known for decades that sugary beverages are a dramatic risk factor for obesity and diabetes.
Processed foods and sugary treats are packed with empty calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugars that can really slow down your weight loss efforts. These items usually lack essential nutrients and are high in calories, which can lead to overeating and unwanted fat gain. Common culprits like chips, baked goods, and sugary drinks cause quick spikes in blood sugar, triggering insulin production that can lead to more fat storage. Instead, focus on whole, natural foods, like lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, veggies, and healthy fats. These whole foods digest more slowly, helping to regulate blood sugar, keep hunger at bay, and provide lasting energy. 12. Change your lifestyle. While semaglutide is a powerful tool for weight loss, lasting results come from making long-term lifestyle changes that work alongside the medication. Regular physical activity is key. It not only helps burn calories, but also boosts your metabolism and helps maintain muscle mass while you lose fat. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week, like brisk walking, cycling, or strength training. Another effective strategy is to switch to smaller, more frequent meals. Eating every 3 to 4 hours can help control hunger and prevent overeating. Focus on balanced meals that include protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This way, you'll feel fuller and more energized throughout the day. By combining these lifestyle changes with semaglutide, you'll not only enhance your weight loss but also improve your overall health in the long run. 13. Set a realistic weight loss goal. For long-term success, it's super important to set realistic and sustainable goals. While it might be tempting to aim for quick weight loss, a healthy target is to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week.
It really varies person to person. One study showed that on average, people lost about 6% of their body weight by week 12, lost about 10% of their body weight by week 20, and lost about 15% of their body weight by the 1-year mark.
This pace helps ensure you're losing fat instead of muscle, reducing the risk of sagging skin, muscle loss, and nutrient deficiencies. Remember, everyone's journey is unique. If you want to learn how to inject semaglutide safely and avoid the common mistakes many people make, check out our next video.